Hi everyone! Have you ever heard someone say that AI will replace every job or that ChatGPT is always right? Maybe you have even heard that AI can read your mind. But how many of these are actually true? In today's video, we are busting 10 of this biggest AI myths and separating fact from fiction. By end of this video, you'll know what's true, what's false, and how AI really works. Let's get started. Myth number 10. AI will replace every job. This is one of the most common misconceptions about AI. The truth is AI can automate repetitive tasks, but it can replace human creativity, critical thinking, empathy, or leadership. Instead of replacing everyone, AI is helping people work faster and more efficiently. So the real future isn't humans versus AI, it's humans working with AI. The next myth of none ChatGPT is always right. This is false. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool, but it can sometimes give incorrect or outdated information. That's why it's always important to verify important facts instead of trusting every answer blindly. The next is myth number 8. You need coding skills to use AI. That's not true. Most AI tools are designed for everyone. If you can type a question or follow simple instructions, you can use AI. No programming experience is required for most popular AI apps. Myth number 7. AI can read your mind. That's false. AI only responds to the information you type or speak. It cannot know your thoughts or feelings unless you share them. Myth number 6. AI knows everything. This is also not true. AI is smart, but it can make mistakes and doesn't always have the latest or complete information. That's why it's very important to verify important facts. Myth number 5. AI is only for students. That's false. AI is used by professionals, business owners, content creators, teachers, and many others to save time and improve their work. So the truth is, AI is for everyone, not just for students. Myth number 4. AI creates perfect images every time. This is also not true, as AI often needs proper prompts and few attempts to produce the best results. So the truth is, better prompts lead to better AI images. Myth number 3. AI is going to destroy humanity. This is a common myth. Today's AI is designed to perform specific tasks and doesn't think or act on its own like in movies. So AI is a tool. It's not an independent being. Myth number 2. AI makes people lazy. This is not true. AI can save time, but you still need to think, review, and make decisions. It's a tool that helps you work smarter, not stop working. So AI supports your work, it doesn't replace your thinking. Myth number 1. AI is only for tech experts. False. You don't need coding skills or technical knowledge. Just ask a question and AI can help. AI is for everyone. Which AI myth surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel AI Bytes Hub for more AI tips. See you next time.